There's no use arguing with this joint. Ziegler runs it himself.
Step on it.
Hi, boss.
Lots of garlic. Chip with all it. Get me some, too.
Well, how's business? You get some more orders?
Lots of orders. They all buy from us. All we have to do is fill them.
Yeah, that's a good idea. You better tell me and Berdini.
Oh, them fellas, they retired from business.
Hey, what have you been doing?
You remember you say all they have to do is start something we finish?
Well, did you?
About an hour ago.
You mean?
Hey, kid. Come here. Hey.
Keep the change.
All right, fine.
Here you are, boss. As you saw outside, all nailed up in a box.
All nailed up. Yeah, well, you didn't get the lid on very tight.
What do you mean?
Look at that.
Come on. Hey, keep us hot. We'll be back right away.
What's the matter?
You can't come
in. Get out of here.
No, there's a private hospital. You can't come.
What did they do?
Hi, Poppy.
Hello.
Hey, what's all the time biting you? You afraid of me?
Well, that outfit's enough to give anybody the yips.
Nice, huh? I got 3 more. Different colors.
I see you're going in for jewelry. It's kind of feminine, isn't it?
Huh? Yeah. I got them in an auction. A bargain.
You're sure a funny mixture, Tony.
It's the first time you smile.
Yeah?
How do you mean you think I'm funny?
You just are, that's all. What else are you doing with all your money? I hear you're getting a new car.
Mm-hmm. It's different. It's got bulletproof glass and a steel body. And I got myself a new house, too. Come up sometime?
Yeah, I'll bring my grandmother.
No kidding, you come up?
Why don't you get yourself a girl, Tony?
I'm working on that now.
Yeah? Well, don't tire yourself out.
Johnny in?
Yeah.
He's mad, huh? Hi, boss.
When are you going to learn that I am the boss?
Sure, you're the boss.
And what do you mean by breaking up that Lakeview joint last night? Didn't I tell you to stay out of the north side?
Now, listen, Johnny, it was easy.
Now, you listen to me, stupid. That was one of O'Hara's places, and you know it. Didn't I tell you I wasn't ready for O'Hara yet?
It was a nice little order, 50 barrels a week.
I don't care if it's 50 a day. What do you use to think with, an empty beer keg? Just when we get this territory lined up and running smooth, you step out and gum up the parade.
How do you mean, Johnny? I just sell a little more beer. Ah, don't worry.
Don't worry. You know what O'Hara's liable to do now? He'll send his guns down here on the south side. They'll move around like hummingbirds. You're liable to get it, and I'm liable to get it. I know that hop. He's tough, see?
Ah, he ain't so tough. Hanging out in a flower shop. You afraid of a guy like that?
I ain't afraid of anybody.
Sure enough. That's a crazy question, eh, Johnny?
Come on, don't argue.
Where you going?
Clean up after you, you mug, unless it's too late.
Look out!
Keith!
Another gang.
They almost got me. The car passed through to about 40 miles an hour.